Hello learners, today I am going to discuss about the topic of equations, linear and non-linear equations. Basically there are two categorization of equations. The first one is algebraic equation, or you can say a polynomial. Here it is an algebraic equation. It is called an algebraic equation in x of degree n, and if it is provided n is not equal to 0. Like here the values are used, and here the highest degree value of n is 2 as mentioned. So it is a non-linear equation. When the value of n is equal to 1, then it is known as linear equation. If the value of n is greater than 1, then it is a non-linear equation. And if you have an equation in which the highest degree is 2, then it is called quadratic equation. And if you encounter an equation in which highest degree is 3, then it is called cubic equation. And the equation in which the degree is 4, the highest one, then it is called biquadratic equation. Now the second category of equation is transcendental equation. In transcendental equation is that equation that contains some special type of mathematical functions. What are those special type of mathematical functions? Like you have trigonometric functions, exponential or logarithmic. The example is like this: x cos x minus sin x plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is an example of transcendental equation in which cos x is used, which is a trigonometric function. Now the next thing is, there are methods to solve non-linear equations. Basically there are two methods, direct and indirect. Indirect method, it gives exact value of roots in finite number of steps. जैसे कि आपने क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस को जब सॉल्व किया है तो आपके पास डायरेक्टली रूट की जो वैल्यू है वो आती है बाय यूजिंग क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. And the second thing is, in using this method it gives all the roots at the same time. आपको एक टाइम पर ही सारी रूट्स जो हैं वो फाइंड हो जाएंगी. That means you get the solution at one time. But in case of iterative methods, that involves iterations for stepping towards the exact solution. अब आपने एक आइट्रेशन करी, उससे आपको कुछ सोल्यूशन मिलेगा, देन उसको लेकर आप नेक्स्ट आइट्रेशन करेंगे, देन यू विल गेट अनदर सोल्यूशन. सो इन दिस वे यू विल प्रोसीड in case of iterative methods. So these are the following methods which are used to solve nonlinear equations. First one is bisection method, then is regular falsy method, and then is your Newton-Raphson method in case of numerical methods. This is all about linear and non-linear equations classification. Thanks for the patience listening and watching the video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and stay tuned with the Sam Quick Learning channel for the further videos.